Oh, I'm cooking again. So, last week, it didn't go too good. That was, gross. I gotta say though, the next morning, I left it like sitting out all night, and the next morning it had absorbed or something, and it was actually pretty good the next morning, so, whatever. So today, I invented something brand new. I got, these Grands, Pillsbury Grand, things that come in a tube, and you smack it open and you get these things, and usually you make them into biscuits. But I thought I'd try something different. I get out my trusty skull form. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these, put them down, and I'm gonna take a scoop of yummy apple pie filling, put it down, and then I'm gonna put another layer of these things on top, and it's gonna be amazing. So here we go. See what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stretch them out a little bit. Oh, great. And you kind of put them down in the form. This is not working out already. I can tell you it's not gonna be as good as I had hoped for, but it's gonna be better than last week, because last week was stupid. Last week was like, could it go any worse than last week? No, it could not go any worse than last week, that's for sure. Last week was ridiculous. This is better when I smash them first and put them in. And I kind of squish them down into the mold, so there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So I can make that many. Now comes the good stuff. This apple pie filling, that's probably too much, but whatever, we'll find out. Put some with a little, some with a lot. It's great stuff. Like sometimes I'll just sit down with a can of apple pie filling and just go to town eating it, because it tastes like you're eating a little bit of apple pie right there in your house. It's so good. All right, so I got the filling done. Now I'm gonna take another piece, squish it out again, like that. And I'm squishing it right down here. This is either gonna be a top 10er or a horribleness. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we shall see. So, I kind of squished that one bad. Lost its form. And also, did you know today's National Meatball Day? I mean, I'm making dessert, but I should have made meatballs again. If you haven't seen my meatball video, make sure you check it out, because you'll learn how to make the world's best meatballs right there. All right. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to take these things, and according to the instructions on the tin can thingy, I'm putting them in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. All right, these things look pretty awesome out of the oven here. I must say, this is pretty exciting stuff right now. Look how they like poofed. They go poof, poof. I guess I which one to eat first. I mean, they look pretty good. And remember when I told you about this stuff? You can just take this stuff and be like, it's an apple. So it's just as healthy as a regular apple, no matter what people might say. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ah, look at that. Bring in close. Look at that. Whoa. I'm pretty happy right now. I can take a bite out of this head. Oh my God. That is good. That's better than regular apple pie. This is something you need to do at home right now. Turn off your computer, go in your kitchen, cook this up. Especially if you have a cool skull thing. See you next week.